Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best smart speakers and displays on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Amazon Echo Dot, 3rd Gen. The longevity of the 3rd generation Dot remains uncertain, but for those in search of an affordable, Alexa-enabled smart speaker, this model stands as the prime choice. If your quest leads you towards a wallet-friendly smart speaker with Google Assistant capabilities, the Nest Mini emerges as the top-tier runner-up, as highlighted earlier. In a world where technological innovation constantly evolves, the 3rd Gen Dot perseveres as an exceptional budget-friendly option, ensuring that your smart home remains connected and voice-activated. Meanwhile, the Nest Mini, a testament to Google's prowess, brings a harmonious blend of cost-effectiveness and AI prowess to your abode. What we like about it: a very inexpensive voice-powered smart home controller. Best-sounding audio in its class. Pretty industrial design. What we don't like about it: still not recommended for critical music listening. Number 2. Echo Dot 5 Gen with Clock. Amazon is the strongest player in the smart home market today, and the Echo Dot with Clock, 5th Gen, is a key reason for that position. Amazon could easily have left well enough alone with its 3rd generation entry-level smart speaker, but it just keeps innovating. While it's true that you'll spend $10 less if you buy the 5th generation Echo Dot Sans Clock, that display adds much more than $10 in value. The one area that Amazon continues to trail with its entry-level smart speakers is audio performance. What we like about it: a larger display conveys more information. Highly useful ambient temperature sensor. Accelerometer for gesture recognition. What we don't like about it: audio performance still pales in comparison to a Sonos One. Number 3. Amazon Echo Show 10. The Amazon Echo Show, 3rd Gen, features a 10.1-inch display that tracks your movement and rotates so that it always faces you. Amazon's AZ1 Neural Edge processor tracks your movement right on the device, enhancing your privacy by not uploading your image to the cloud. It has a high-quality display and a very good audio system. As with most of its more expensive Echo devices, there's an integrated Zigbee smart home hub, plus a radio that taps into Amazon's new Sidewalk neighborhood network technology. What we like about it: the display can automatically rotate so it's always facing you. Significant improvements in display brightness and image quality. What we don't like about it: you might find the tracking feature to be creepy. Wi-Fi and Zigbee radios are on board, but there's no Z-Wave or Thread support. Number 4. Amazon Echo Studio. Amazon's Echo Studio delivers exceptional value, and it comes packed with an integrated Zigbee smart home hub, elevating its appeal. This smart speaker boasts a sophisticated audio configuration, featuring 3 2.0-inch mid-range drivers, one directed left, one right, and one upward, for immersive sound dispersion, along with a precise 1.0-inch tweeter targeting the listener directly. To ensure a rich bass experience, a commanding 5.25-inch down-firing woofer resides atop a slotted bass aperture, taking care of the lower frequencies with precision. What we like about it: great audio performance for the money. Supports 3D audio, Dolby Atmos, and Sony 360 reality audio. What we don't like about it: the lack of Z-Wave support weakens its abilities as a smart home hub. Number 5. Bowers & Wilkins Zeppelin. For those with the means, Bowers & Wilkins presents the creme de la creme of smart speakers in terms of audio quality. It offers a sonic experience that's unrivaled in the market. However, it's important to note that this exceptional speaker exclusively supports Alexa, so aficionados of Google Assistant may need to explore alternative options. Comparatively, the Nest Audio, priced at a reasonable $99, delivers commendable audio performance, considering its cost. However, it resides in a distinctly different echelon when measured against the Bowers & Wilkins masterpiece. What we like about it. Best-in-class stereo performance from a tabletop speaker. Impeccable industrial design. What we don't like about it. Alexai's the only supported digital assistant. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.